This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hi friends! I hope everyone's doing super dandy today! Because for today's video, we are here at Value Village. We're at a thrift store and we're gonna do some thrifting today. I don't really have a plan other than, I might want to check out the yarn section, the fabric section, the clothes sections, shoes. I want to check out the mugs because last time I bought a mug here, I broke it in the parking lot after I bought it. That's my plan for today. We're just going to check out those sections and see what they have. So let's head in. I'm shedding like a dog today. Ooh, that's a cool lamp right there. I'm just a sucker for green. Anyways, we're starting in fabric here, and right off the bat you can see this beautiful plaid, although it's $15, maybe like 2 meters there. I don't know, it could be really cute for pants. We'll hold on to it. Like a nice stretchy knit. Could be really cute for like a tank. $6.99. Ooh, this is like my favorite color. Very fancy, very fancy. This is a really pretty pattern. Could be like a nice dress or something. I like it. I like it. You know what I can make with this? I can make a really nice pair of sweat shorts. Or no, not enough for sweatpants, but a really nice pair of sweat shorts. And it's $3.99. Hold on to this one too. Yep. Okay, now for the yarn and the patterns. So I just looked through all the yarn and no luck today. I'm super picky when it comes to yarn. I like to find really real nice yarn if I'm gonna buy it at the thrift store. Because most of it is acrylic and I'm not a huge fan of acrylic, unfortunately. Ooh, those boots are cute. Definitely the wrong day to wear sweatpants, but I think they fit. This morning I was looking at a pair of shoes from Aloha that almost are identical to these. They have 2 sewing machines here, Singer ones. Oh my gosh, that is sick. This Value Village always has so much chilling just on the ends here. I'm just gonna look through all the ends and see what they have. Like they even have Wilfred. Look at that. So I'm just in the pants section now, and I came across this one pair of pants because they felt nice, they felt quality, and I liked the color, I liked the pattern, and then I looked at the price tag and I was like, okay, what are they eating here? The price is $40, and then I looked at the tag and I guess that's why. I think they're designer. There also isn't a size on here, which is super strange. I've never seen a garment that didn't have a size. Like it's not even on the tag or anywhere. So I think they'll fit. I think I can return them if they don't. And then I also found this pair of pants. They're black, which usually I don't go for a black pair of pants, but they feel really nice. So as you guys know, I knit a lot, so I'm trying not to look at the sweaters, but I'm just gonna like quickly browse and just look to see if any like thing pops out. Like that one popped out, but I'm gonna say no. Ooh, green. Okay, no. Okay, I really like this sweater, but then I noticed, and now I'm sad. I'll just have to make it, so I'm gonna make a mental note right here, take a picture. Cha-ching. That's not a picture sound. Click, click. Oh my goodness, I love this sweater so much, but it does feel itchy. It feels itchy. I don't think, it's 50% wool, and it's probably really itchy wool. Will I wear, This sweater is sick too. Why do they all have wool in them today? I never find sweaters with wool, or actually I do. I find them pretty often at the thrift store. So I have a few updates for you guys. One, I only found one sweater in the sweater section, which I'm pretty proud of myself because I just want to make all my sweaters. I want to hand knit them, so I try not to buy sweaters, but I did find this one, which is like, come on, it's pretty rad. Number 2, I kind of gotta poop. It's kind of bumming me. And number 3, remember these boots I found? Yeah, I think they're too big now because now that I have my other shoes on, I'm realizing that these are, I think, too big. So I'll try them on one more time before I put them back, but I think I'm gonna have to put them back just because if they're too big. They're too big, they're too big. So I'm not a huge fan of thrifting shirts just because this section just overwhelms me, so I'm gonna go look at books. Yeah, books and tea mugs sound pretty good. I have this book right here. This book is a good book if anybody wants to, you know, get really into sewing. This one's good.
So we're just going to take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. I personally started using Squarespace back in college when I started my business, and since then I have been using it. At first, my website just listed all the services I offered, but then as it grew, I was able to add an e-commerce store and also a blog. It is super easy to create a professional website with Squarespace, so if you guys want to try out Squarespace or get a domain, I do have a coupon code for you guys where you guys can get 10% off. All you have to do is use my coupon code JennaPhipps, and you guys will get 10% off your domain or website.
Hank donated his jacket. His beautiful jacket he donated. Look at this. I just want to take this patch off and keep it and just put it on one of my shirts. So I found 2 berets, and for some reason lately I just been really liking them. I don't know if they look good on me, but I found a crochet one and a wool one, and this one even has tags, brand new with tags from H&M. But I just don't know if I'm a beret type of gal. Like this? This is supposed to be like this? I don't know. This one I think is better. This one's better, right? I'll think about it. I'll think about it. This one actually looks kind of cute, I think. This one definitely thought it was gonna look better than I think it does. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I'm back in the car now. Whew, that was a good one. That was a good one. I got a few things for me. I got some fabric. I did really good. So I'm gonna drive home now because I still really gotta poop. So I'm gonna, race home and then I'll show you guys the haul. Okay, friends, I am home. I have my thrift haul over here. So let's get into it. Let's get into the first item. So first item is some fabric. I ended up getting the plaid fabric I showed you guys right at the beginning of the thrift with me, and I just thought it'd be so nice for a pair of pants. There is tons of fabric here. The fabric is nice and soft. It's not like a wool blend where those can kind of get itchy. This feels like a nice cotton one, but not cotton like PJs, like nice cotton, but also a little bit of a PJ style going on there, which I kind of dig. There's probably like 4 or 5 meters here, so definitely can make a nice pair of pants out of it. And then I ended up getting one more piece of fabric, which is this green here, and there's not that much here, but there's enough for at least a top or a pair of shorts, which I originally thought a pair of shorts, but then I went into my closet when I got back and realized I just bought like 4 different pairs of sweatshorts, so maybe I'll make another pair, maybe not, but it's really nice and cozy, and it was only $3.99. Now for the clothes, and for the clothes, I ended up getting 3 pieces of clothing and 1 hat. I did find a lot of other things like the boots I found, but those were too big. I ended up finding other tops, which I just ended up putting back, and I ended up just getting these 3, which you might be able to guess the hat, or maybe not, I don't know. But first one is a jacket, and I'm actually really excited about this one. This one is from Abercrombie, and I'm actually really surprised with this one because I picked it up. It feels so soft. Like, it's not like a typical puffer where it's kind of, like that waterproof kind of material. You know what I mean? Like jacket. This one is like really soft. It like feels like silk on the outside, and it looks like a puffer. And it's warm and it's comfy, so you didn't really have to convince me that much. Next, I ended up getting, man, I'm shedding a lot today.
I ended up getting these pair of pants, which I'm actually surprised because I never wear black just because my dog's hair, it is blonde, so anytime I wear something darker, his hair is just like very, very noticeable on it. So I tend not to wear darker colors because of that. It just annoys me, frustrates me, but here we are with a black pair of pants I bought. They fit perfect. The only thing is they're a tad bit short, which I don't really mind because most of the pants I buy are short, and these are a petite, so I'm actually surprised they're not shorter, but they fit perfect. And they're high-waisted, they're not too tight, not too loose, they're comfy, they're great. I love them. So this next item, I went back and forth on a lot of times. Like I put it back on the shelf and then I took it off and then I put it back and then I, took it off and then eventually I bought it. But it's the crochet beret, which you guys saw me try it on and I wasn't very impressed with it. But then I kept trying it on just because there was something about it that I just loved. I think it's the crochet because you guys know I love knit and crochet things, and yeah, I just settled on that it's my hair because I have them back in like two little pigtails, on the top of my head. That's why it looks kind of odd, but I feel like if I take my hair out and leave that down, it would look better, and if I had like a nice outfit on, it would look better, trying to convince myself that it can be cute in the right way. So I ended up buying this beret. I put the white one back because it was like $18 and I just thought this one was more fun. Now for the last item, which is definitely the best item of the whole haul. That is why I'm saving it for the end, last item. And it is these pants that were very, very pricey, that were $40, but apparently originally $300 from Holt Renfrew. So, I took a chance and I got them. They look like they're gonna fit. They look like the perfect plaid pair of pants. I still don't have like the perfect plaid kind of dress pant, kind of, not fancy, but a little bit fancy pair of pants, you know the vibe I'm going for. And also the details on them are just like amazing. Like, there's zipper in the pockets here, and at the bottom here there's also a zipper. Look at that. Here they are. I have unzipped them at the bottom because I wanted to try it out, and surprisingly these are actually long on me. Like they're actually touching the ground, and I never find pants that actually touch the ground because I'm tall, so it takes a certain pair of pants to actually be long on me. They are a little bit slouchy, so they're a little big on me, but it's not like they're too big, they're falling down. They're just more like a relaxed fit on me, and that's typically what I like to go for, just because I just don't like tight things. I just want to be comfy all the time, so typically I buy my clothes a little bit bigger anyway, so yeah, I like them. But that is it for my thrift haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed thrifting with me today and the items I got. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know down below in the comments which item was your favorite today. But that's it. So I hope you guys just have a great rest of your day. Have a dandy day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!